lecture, we have discussed about the measurement of physical quantity. In this lecture, we will discuss about the characteristics of a standard unit. Characteristics of a standard unit. As a matter of convenience, we can select any unit to measure the magnitude of physical quantity, but that may create confusion to us. That's why, to avoid confusion and to bring uniformity throughout the universe, we will select such type of unit should possess some special properties, and they are: first, a selected unit should first be accepted universally. Second, be convenient in size. And third, be easily reproducible. And fourth, a selected unit should be possible to define without ambiguity. And fifth one, the selected unit should not change, or we can say vary with a space and time. That is, its value must remain same everywhere. Let's again, we will see a selected unit first should be accepted universally. It means that the unit to which we have selected should be known to all throughout the universe. And second one, a selected unit should be convenient in size. It means that the unit selected by us should not be very small or very large. And third one, the unit selected should be easily reproducible. It means that its replicas should be available as per requirement. And fourth one, a selected unit should be possible to define without ambiguity. It means that the unit selected by us can be defined in more than one way. And last one means fifth one, a selected unit should not change or vary with space and time. It means that the value of the unit selected by us should remain same everywhere with location and time. Next, in next lecture, we will discuss about some most important topics. Thank you very much.